Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci.
D'accord, très bien. So you remember in the previous class, we saw the accents, we completed all the accents. 5 accents we learned, laxoaigu, laxograph, circumflex, sedile, and also trema. Trema symbol, you remember? Trema accent? Axotrema?
Yes, ma'am.
Oui?
Oui,
D'accord, d'accord, d'accord. Trema. The accent is, in the previous class, we saw trema accent. Trema. Trema. And how was the symbol? 2 dots. You just need to put through dots. Trema, you just need to put through the 2 dots. Yes, dear? Yes? Yeah. So for trema accent, you just need to put 2 dots and it is easy, the pronunciation, because you don't have to change the pronunciation. Pronunciation will be same. Pronunciation will be same. It won't change the sounds of those alphabets, those letters. Now, this trema accent, you can see on top of 3 letters. Which are those 3 letters? I. Then I. Then,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, dear, Noel.
Ma'am, I came late because of network issue.
Yeah, we just started. We just started. I am just explaining the previous class's topic. That's it.
E.
So,
E.
I, then E, then E, then one more. E, I, and no one knows the 3 letters which is having laxoaigu, dacotrema, U. So this trema accent you can see on top of 3 letters E, I, and U. And when this trema accent will be there, you don't have to worry because the pronunciation of that word will not change. Okay, pronunciation of that word will not change. And what you have to do is you have to pronounce those 2 vowel letters separately. You have to pronounce those 2 vowel letters separately. Example, maize. Repeat everyone. Maize. What is maize? What is maize? Sweet corn. Maize is sweet corn. L'autre example, say Noel.
Christmas.
Noel.
Christmas.
Christmas. Oui. Ensuite, air. Air.
To hate.
To hate. Ensuite, say heroine. Heroine. Heroine is heroine. The Kotrabia. And today we are going to see few new words. New words. With the alphabets we learn. New words we are going to see. I want all of you to take your textbook. Those who have textbook, please take your textbook. Take page number 20. Page number 20. Everyone, those who have, please do take it. Page number 20.
Ma'am, is this?
Not that small one, dear, big one. Big one, big textbook. That is the one we are using.
Ma'am, I know how to read this.
D'accord, okay.
Page number?
Page number 20. Page number 20. Those who don't have textbook, you don't have to worry. I'll be writing it on the board.
Ma'am, what we want to do?
Take page number 20. Take page number 20. Yes. And listen. Okay. So with letter A, first letter is letter A. We have avec letter A, say aeropo. Aeropo. Please do repeat everyone. Aeropo. Avec letter A, say aeropo. A. Aeropo. Repeat everyone. Aeropo. Egraj.
Aeropo.
Do you have any doubt, dear?
No, ma'am.
Then why your hand raise symbol? You clicked on the hand raise symbol. That is why I called you. Remove that. So, aeropo. Please do repeat everyone. Aeropo. The ending letter T will be silent. The ending letter T will be silent. In fact, R also will be silent here. Aeropo. Aeropo is airport. Aeropo is airport. Ensuite, l'autre, ensuite c'est avec lettre B. Baby. Baby. Repeat everyone. Baby. Avec lettre B. Baby. Avec lettre B. Baby. Baby means baby. Ensuite, avec lettre C, c'est coca. Coca. Avec lettre C, c'est coca. Repeat everyone. Coca. Coca is Coke, cool drink. Coke. Coca. Avec lettre C, repeat everyone. Say. Coca. Ensuite, avec lettre D, c'est dedans. Dindon. I am not saying dindo. It's not D sound. Dindon. Dindon. Ending letter N will be silent and the O sound will be nasal. Dindon. Dindon means turkey. Dindon means turkey. Turkey bird. Turkey. Dindon. Dindon. I am repeating, so I am saying it again and again so that you can repeat after me. Dindon. Oui, Payal?
Ma'am, can you repeat the word with starting with C?
Coca.
Coca.
Coca, oui.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Oui. Merci, madame. Merci. Ensuite, avec lettre E, next is lettre E, c'est éléphant. Éléphant. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Éléphant. Éléphant. Please do repeat everyone. Éléphant. Éléphant. Ensuite, avec lettre F, c'est fromage. 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 And fromage means cheese. Fromage means cheese. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Fromage. Fromage means cheese. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Fromage. Avec lettre F. Fromage means cheese. Ensuite, avec lettre G, c'est girafe. Giraffe. Same meaning, giraffe. Giraffe. Oui, Ridu, tell me, dear. Unmute, dear. Your mic is not unmuted. Oui.
How to pronounce letter D?
Bay. Letter B we will pronounce as bay. Bay.
D.
Bay.
D, ma'am, D.
Day. Letter B is day. Dundon. Oui. Dear, yeah, I will be giving the pronunciation again and again, so you don't have to worry about it. Payal, any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am.
If you don't have doubts, remove that hand raise symbol. Noel? Yes, Noel is having doubt. Yes.
Ma'am, can you say the meaning of the letter start with C?
C. Coca is Coke, dear. Coke.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have the textbook, dear? No, Nia, do you have textbook with you?
No, ma'am.
No, that is why. There, okay. See, this is Coke. Okay. Coke.
Merci, madame.
Bienvenue. Ensuite, c'est avec lettre J, avec lettre G, c'est girafe. Giraffe. Giraffe is giraffe itself. Giraffe. Ensuite, avec lettre H, Ensuite, avec lettre H, c'est hibou. Avec lettre H, c'est hibou. Hibou. Why I am saying hibou? Hibou, because in French, if your word is beginning with letter H, then letter H will be silent. If your word is beginning with letter H, then letter H will be silent. Hibou. Hibou. Once again, avec lettre A, c'est aéroport. Aéroport. Please do repeat. Aéroport. Avec lettre B, c'est bébé. Bébé. Ensuite, avec lettre C, c'est coca. Coca. Ensuite, avec lettre D, dindon. Dindon. Ensuite, avec lettre E, c'est éléphant. Éléphant. Puis, avec lettre F, c'est fromage. Fromage. Ensuite, avec lettre G, c'est girafe. Girafe. Puis, avec lettre H, c'est hibou. Hibou. Hibou is owl. Hibou means owl. Hibou means owl. I hope you got all the meanings. Aeroport is airport. Baby is baby. Coca is coke, cool drink. Then dindon. Dindon is turkey. Éléphant is elephant. Then avec lettre F, c'est fromage, means cheese. Avec lettre G, c'est girafe, it's giraffe. Ensuite, avec lettre H, c'est hibou, that means owl. So I hope you got all the meanings. Noel and Nia, if you don't have any doubt, just you can remove that hand press symbol. Okay, please do repeat after me, everyone. Now, this time we will be reading, we will be pronouncing the alphabets pronunciation also. So, repeat after me. Ah. Ah. I am going to unmute everyone. I want to hear everyone's voice. Yes. Ah. Aeroport. Bay. Bay. Say. Coca. Avec lettre D. It's not dindo. Listen, it is not dindo. Dindon. Ensuite, avec lettre E. Éléphant. It is not elephant. Éléphant. Oui. Ensuite, avec lettre F, c'est fromage. Fromage. Ensuite, avec lettre G, c'est girafe. Girafe. Ensuite, avec lettre H, c'est hibou. D'accord, I'm going to mute everyone once again. Please do repeat after me, and after that, I will be calling you one by one to read. Aeroport. Baby. Coca. Dindon. Dindon. Éléphant. Éléphant. Fromage. Fromage. Girafe. Girafe. Ibu. Ibu. D'accord. I am going to unmute you. Keep yourself muted. I will be calling you one by one so that at that time you can unmute yourself and read.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you don't have to click on the hand raise button. I will call. If anyone is there without textbook, you can tell me. I'll be sharing my board. Krishnesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madam. See, it's almost it's 2 months now. So you must respond to me in French itself, especially when I call you. Oui, madam. D'accord, madam. These things you must pronounce in French itself.
Okay, ma'am. Oui, madame.
D'accord. Read.
Airport.
Hmm.
Bébé.
Hmm.
Coco.
Coca.
Coca.
Hmm.
Dindon.
Dindon. Dindon.
Elfon.
Hmm.
Frozen.
Fromage.
Fromage.
Hmm.
Giraffe.
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 Not G. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Ensuite.
Ma'am, next Egraj can.
Wait, let him complete. Ensuite.
Hendon.
Ibu.
Ibu.
D'accord. Ensuite, say Noël. Noël. Wait there. We have time. I will be calling. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Aeroplane.
We.
Baby.
Hmm.
Coca.
Hmm.
Dindon.
Hmm.
Elephant.
Hmm.
Fromage.
Hmm.
Giraffe.
Hmm.
Ibu.
Hmm. Très bien, Noël. Ensuite, c'est Nia.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Airplane.
See the spelling?
Airport.
Aero. R-O is there. So,
Aeropo.
aeropo. Wait.
Aeropo.
Hmm.
Baby.
Hmm.
Coca.
Hmm.
Dindon.
Hmm. Not dindo. The.
Elephant.
Nia said the.
The
Dindo.
Dindon.
Oui. Très bien. Ensuite.
Elephant.
Hmm.
Fromage.
Hmm.
Giraffe.
Hmm.
Ibu.
Oui. Très bien, Nia. Ensuite, c'est Ridu.
D'accord, madam. Yes. Aeroport. Baby. Coca. Dindon. Elephant.
Ensuite, fromage.
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 Ensuite,
Giraffe. Hippo.
Ibu.
Hippo.
Not Hibu. H will be silent. When in French, if your word is beginning with letter H, then letter H will be silent. So it is Ibu.
Ibu.
Oui. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Saira Salim. Saira, unmute. Read.
Airport.
Aeropo.
Aeroport.
We.
Baby. Hoka. Ding dong.
Once again,
Ding dong.
not ding do, dun dong.
Ding dong.
We.
Elephant.
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 Niranjanan. Yeah, Cyrus, continue.
Fromage.
Fromage. Fromage.
Fromage.
We. Ensuite,
Giraffe.
giraffe. Ensuite, ibu.
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 Hasib. Trebia, Salia, Saira, please do practice more.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, madame.
Oui, madam. Airport. Baby. Hoka.
Mm,
Ding dong.
mm,
Elephant.
mm,
Fromage.
mm,
Giraffe.
mm,
Eagle.
mm. Trebia, ensuite say Egraj.
Hello, ma'am. I will come now to take charger.
Okay, so you just came now? Or you want to go? Okay.
Ma'am, she wants to
Egraj, read, unmute and read, Egraj. Egraj, unmute and read.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Okay, I'll share. Read.
Airport.
Aeropo.
Airport.
A not re, aero. Aeropo.
Airport.
Dear, A, repeat after me.
Airport.
Listen and repeat after me. Ro,
Airport.
po. Aeropo.
Airport.
Not re, aero, R-O. So, aeropo.
Airport.
We, ensuite,
Baby.
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 We, ensuite,
Go.
read.
Coca.
We, ensuite,
Ding dong.
dun dong. It's not D,
Din.
the. Say the.
Ding dong.
Repeat after me.
Dong.
Say the. Dun dong.
Ding dong.
We, ensuite,
Elephant.
not.
Elephant.
You are not in English class. You can't say elephant. See the accents there. See two axo aigues are there. So still you are reading elephant. We completed all the accents, and now we are started learning new words. Then still you are saying elephant. Then what is the purpose of learning those accents? Elephant. Repeat after me, Egraj. Elephant. Egraj. Oh, 7 network issue. Binnu.
Egraj left.
Oui, madame.
Hmm?
Aerophone.
We.
Baby.
Hmm?
Coco.
Coca. We.
Coca. Ding dong. Elephant.
We.
From manch.
Mm.
Giraffe.
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 Hmm.
Ibu.
Mm. Those who already finished their practice and ready to read, they can click on the hand raise symbol. Those who practiced and they are confident that you can read, they can click on the hand raise symbol. Others, you can practice, and once you are ready, you can click on the hand raise symbol. Payal, yes.
Aeropo, baby, coca, ding dong, éléphant, fromage, giraffe, ibu.
Trebia, Payal. Ensuite, say Alvina. If you those who finish, they can remove that hand raise symbol also at the same time. Alvina? A row, R-O. So it is a ropo.
Europo,
We,
baby, coca,
we,
dundong,
we.
elephant, fromage, giraffe, ibu.
Trebia, Alvina. Ensuite, say Tonio.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Aeroport, baby, coca, ding dong, elephant,
No, elephant.
elephant,
Oui.
fromage, giraffe, ibu.
Trebia, Tonio. Ensuite, say Nainika.
Aeroport,
Hmm?
baby, coca, dundong, elephant, fromage, giraffe, ibu.
Trebia, Nainika. Ensuite, say Leonardo.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Aeropo, baby, coca, ding dong,
Dundong. Oui,
éléphant,
oui.
fromage, giraffe,
Giraffe.
ibu,
Ibu. Ensuite, c'est Angelo.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Aeroport, baby, coca, dindong,
Dundong. Dundong.
elephant, fromage, giraffe, ibu.
Très bien, Angelo. Ensuite, c'est Algan.
Oui, madame. Aeroport, baby, coca,
Oui.
dundong,
Dundong. Oui.
éléphant,
Éléphant. Oui. Ensuite,
fromage,
fromage. Oui. Ensuite,
giraffe,
girafe. Girafe. D'accord.
ibu,
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Akshaj.
Aeroport,
Oui.
baby, coca, dundong,
Dundong. Oui.
elephant,
Oui.
fromage,
Fromage.
giraffe,
Girafe. Oui.
ibu,
Ibu. Oui. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Delna.
Oui, madame.
Éléphant.
Elephant,
Oui.
fromage,
Fromage.
giraffe,
Girafe.
ibu,
Ibu.
Ibu.
Très bien, d'accord. Ensuite, c'est Delna. Delna Dano. Mivel.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Airport.
Aéroport.
Aéroport.
Oui,
Baby.
oui.
Coquin.
Hmm.
Dindon.
Dundon.
Dindon.
Hmm.
Elephant.
Éléphant.
Elephant.
Oui.
Fromage.
Hmm.
Giraffe.
Girafe.
Giraffe.
Girafe.
Giraffe.
Oh.
Ibu.
Ensuite, oui,
Ibu.
d'accord, d'accord. Ensuite, c'est Ananda Krishnan. Aéroport.
Aeroport.
Oui.
Baby.
Hmm.
Coca.
Oui.
Ding dong.
Dundon. Dundon.
Ding dong.
Oui.
Elephant.
Oui. Fromage.
Fromage.
Oui.
Giraffe.
Hmm. Oui.
Ibu.
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 Très bien. D'accord. I'll just quickly take the attendance, and after that, if we have time, I will call you to read. It's time, so I'm going to end the session. Please do practice these words. Write and study everyone these words.
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
Thank you, madam.
Everyone.